Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So first let's open camera and tap here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find an option. No, wait, first we have to switch to the front camera, and now when we are in the front camera, tap here, go to settings, and here you have mirror front camera, and that's how you can switch that feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.